Yeah, man. No, this is a great industry, man. Like you can really come here and work your way all the way from a porter to a general
100%.
manager. You know what I mean?
And I tell people in the car industry, it's a trainer for life. It prepares you
Hmm.
for life. It
Yeah.
teaches you how to deal with a multitude of individuals,
Yeah.
different flavors, different. A car salesman is the ultimate, and I talk about it in my book. The best gifts come from the bottom. I feel like a lot of salesmen can talk and sell, but they don't know how to scale it. They don't know how to talk to a major group of individuals. And if they find their lane and learn the proper steps to do it, they'll be all making what they make on a lot in a year in one speech at an event. It's all about like that's why I tell people it's all about, man, you gotta take that thing that you're very good at and you gotta scale it. You gotta teach it. Because right now education is needed. Like a
Hmm.
car salesman, you don't see a guy on YouTube teaching every day. This is hard. This is how you sell
Yes, sir.
massive amounts of cars every
Yeah.
day, giving them tips, giving them clues that nobody in the industry will give them. You got that's where the itch is at. That's where the meat is at. And I tell everybody, man, like me, I'm a huge fan of the car industry. Dan LaCrone is a man that I would thank for the rest of my life because I had no car salesman experience, and he just saw something in me. He knew that I had the ability to communicate, and he knew that if I learned the product knowledge, the rest is history, baby.
Yeah,
And
sir.
that's half the battle in the car industry. You learn that product knowledge, baby, you won't fumble. It's just like a playbook he used to say, Will. If you know the playbook, you're not gonna step left when you gotta step right, baby. You're gonna know exactly where to go. So as soon as you know the product knowledge, you know your playbook, and now you can just play the game.